Good day, guys. Welcome to my channel. This is your tutor engineer. Today we'll be doing Euclidean geometry. I'm just going to be sharing some few tips on how to simplify a Euclidean geometric question. So let's go over this question. So basically, as you read the statement, just simplify your diagram. Let me just show you how, right? It says in the diagram, A, B, C, and F lie on a cycle, right? On a larger cycle. Okay, for now, there's nothing that you can update. But let's go on. It says a smaller cycle is drawn to touch the larger cycle externally at A. EA is a common tangent, okay? When you see the word tangent, right? So EA is the tangent, so there is the tangent. So think of tan-chord theorem, right? So immediately think of tan-chord theorem. I think we're going to go on so there'll be chords that will be equal, for instance, if you have got a tangent. EBCF is a tangent to a smaller cycle at C. So EBCF, so there's another tangent here. Okay. Then let's go on. AC is produced to meet is produced to G. AF cuts the smaller cycle at D. A, B, C, D, G, F are drawn. Okay. 11.1. If EAG is equal to X, so think about EAG, so that entire angle there. If it's equal to X, we need to determine with reasons for other angles that are equal to X. Okay. So remember, we've got tangents, right? So that's going to be our beginning to answer this question. So since this is a tangent and that is a chord, can you see the chord AC of a smaller cycle? So that means this D1 is equal to X, right? First of all, so I'm going to say D1 is equal to X. So the reason I'm going to say is it's the tan-chord theorem. Just going to put it in bracket, tan-chord theorem, just round bracket like this. Okay, so let's just update an X there. Okay, remember this tangent is also a tangent to a larger cycle. So if I extend the chord to AG, I'll find that, okay, there is another angle, right? That is subtended by chord AG. So I can say that angle also is equal to X. So we can call it AFG is equal to X tan chord theorem, right? So remaining with two more angles, right, that you can get. Remember, we've not forgotten about triangle EBCF, right? Okay, let's come back to it, right? So we're going to link D1, since it's the angle on the smaller cycle, with C1, right? So that's going to be tan-chord theorem. So D1 is equal to C1 by tan-chord theorem. So we're going to say C1 is equal to X. So that's the same reasons, tan-chord theorem. And then also C1, you realize that it's vertically opposite to C4. So C4 has to be equal to C1 equals to X. So the reason is different, so vertically opposite angles are equal. So yeah, that's it. That's all the four angles that are equal to X. So guys, if you like the video, you like the lesson, please subscribe. Also ask other people to subscribe, like my channel, like this video. Basically, yeah, that's it. I'll be producing more videos of this kind. So thank you guys for availing yourself. I'll see you next time. Bye.